This page is called the Daf HaSha'ar. Daf means page in Hebrew, and Sha'ar means gate. So, the Daf HaSha'ar is the gate page. Here is a picture of a beautiful gate. When you pass through this gate, it will take you into the Talmud. This is supposed to remind you of the verse from Tehillim. This is the gate to Hashem. Tzaddikim will enter it. You may notice that the gate is in part closed off with a fence. This shows you that not everyone actually gets through the gate. Not everyone who tries to learn Gemara really understands it. It doesn't matter how smart you are. It depends on why you learn. If you learn because you want to get close to Hashem, you will succeed. If you study for other reasons, like being famous, you may not succeed. Sitting on top of the gate, you will find two lions. If you look closely, you'll notice that the one on the right is smiling, while the one on the left is sad. The reason for this is, after you have learned, you might feel happy because of how much you've accomplished. On the other hand, you might also feel sad when you think about how much there is yet to learn. But if you love Hashem, you will always be happy when you tried your best. Learning Gemara is not a race. It's about loving Hashem and being loved back. So don't worry about the lions. Walk right by them. In the center of the gate, you will find the name of the Masechet. Here we are looking at Masechet Bava Metzia. Now let's turn another page. This page is called the Daf HaTochen, which means the What's in It page. This page gives you all the information about the commentaries included with the Gemara. Here we have the first page. You will notice that the first word is put in a box. The word is like a gem in a treasure chest. This reminds you how to study the Talmud. Each word was carefully chosen. Each word needs to be understood clearly so it shines like a diamond. Look in the upper left-hand corner of the page. Do you see the letter Bet? This letter Bet means the number 2. This is page 2. The Talmud always starts with page 2 because page 1 of the Talmud needs to be in your heart before you begin to study. A person must have derech eretz. This means the way of the earth in Hebrew. Having derech eretz means knowing how to be kind and helpful to others. It means knowing how to care and share. It means having a good heart. If the first page of Derech Eretz is written in your heart, then you can understand the Gemara properly. That is why the Mishnah says, Derech Eretz comes before Torah. Now turn to the other side of this first page. Did you notice? There is no letter Gimel at the top. The other side of page 2 is not page 3. Page 3 is over there. This is just the other side of page 2. Page 2 in the Talmud has 2 sides. One page of Talmud which has 2 sides is called a daf. Each daf is numbered according to the letters of the alphabet. One side of a daf is called an amud. The first side is always called amud aleph. The second one is always called Amud Bet. So this page is called Daf Bet Amud Aleph. This page is called Daf Bet Amud Bet. Sometimes in the commentaries you might find some letters like this. This means Daf Kaf Aleph Amud Bet. The letters are the number of the daf, and the two dots mean Amud Bet. This is the same as saying page 21, second side,